Alright everybody, welcome back to another mini course. My name is Ken, I'm with the One More Sales community. If you guys have not seen the last mini course, definitely check that out. Otherwise, we're going to dive right into mini course number 2, yes or no questions. Now, you never want to ask yes or no questions when you are pitching your potential client or prospect. The reason being is because you don't want to risk the chance of them ever saying no, because it ruins the NLP, which is neuro-linguistic programming of the human brain. Instead of asking questions like, does this sound good to you? Or can we proceed to the next steps? You'd want to ask questions like, does this sound good to you, or does that sound good to you? You want to give them an option of either or, not yes or no. The reason why you never ask yes or no questions like, can we proceed to the next steps? It's because you sound like a kid begging their mothers for permission. Now, we're not there to ask them for permission. We're there to help them with an issue that they did not even know they had. We're supposed to be there. Have you guys seen the last training? The cities are approved to build a new pipe on your street. They're not going to ask you. They're going to tell you. So everything all kind of just relates with what our training is all about. And this is definitely going to drive your sales up if you are having issues with your sales game. Obviously, there are going to be times when you have to ask yes or no questions, but you want to avoid those questions as much as you can. That's going to wrap it up for mini course number 2 here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys on the next training of the mini course series.